Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Health Zaroori. Today I'm going to share with you 10 amazing benefits of rice water. Rice water is the starchy water that remains after you cook rice. It's a natural beauty product that has been used for centuries in Asia. Rice water is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a great way to improve your skin and hair health. 10 benefits of rice water. Skin toner. Rice water is a gentle and effective skin toner that can help to balance your skin's pH and remove impurities. It can also help to soothe and hydrate your skin. Moisturizer. Rice water is a great moisturizer for all skin types, including dry, oily, and sensitive skin. It can help to keep your skin hydrated and plump. Sunburn soother. Rice water can help to soothe and cool sunburned skin. It can also help to reduce redness and inflammation. Hair rinse. Rice water is a great hair rinse that can help to strengthen and condition your hair. It can also help to add shine and reduce frizz. Hair growth promoting. Rice water is thought to promote hair growth. It contains inositol, a nutrient that is believed to help stimulate hair growth. Dandruff fighter. Rice water can help to fight dandruff. It can help to soothe and moisturize your scalp, which can help to prevent dandruff flakes from forming. Eczema soother. Rice water can help to soothe and relieve eczema. It can help to reduce itching and inflammation. Antioxidant. Rice water is a good source of antioxidants. Antioxidants can help to protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. Digestive aid. Rice water can help to settle an upset stomach and alleviate diarrhea. It is also a good source of electrolytes, which can help to prevent dehydration. Hydrating drink. Rice water is a refreshing and hydrating drink. It is a good source of electrolytes and can help to keep you hydrated. How to make rice water. It's very easy to make rice water at home. Simply rinse a half cup of uncooked rice in a fine mesh strainer. Then, soak the rice in 2 cups of water for 30 minutes. Strain the rice and discard the solids. You can store the rice water in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Tips for using rice water. You can use rice water as a toner, moisturizer, or hair rinse. You can also add rice water to your smoothies or drink it plain. If you have sensitive skin, you can test the rice water on a small area of your skin before using it all over. I hope you enjoyed this video on the 10 benefits of rice water. Rice water is a simple and affordable way to improve your skin and hair health. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.